Okay, I didn't know that this stool had like a downer. Oh my God. Oh my God. That is so incredible. All right, it's me, Kendi. All right, so here's the thing. This video is part 80's dance party. I was dancing earlier to She Drives Me Crazy by Fine Young Cannibals. I love that song, and I am crazy. Really. Okay, so I have some really good news that I'm going to tell you guys. I, for years, supported local artists. Whatever community I lived in, I opened up a little art gallery. But all the years that I was doing art and repping other artists, I too have been an artist, but I never wanted to do a show or anything like that. So I'm going to have my first ever solo show, and I'm 55. So I am getting some artwork ready for my friend Cynthia. She's got a wellness center that she opened in Sedona. And so I'm going to go ahead and provide her her little shop there, her business with art, and then we're going to go ahead and do an art reception. So I'm going to have my first ever art show, just me, myself, and I. All right, so listen, if you enjoyed the dancing and the music, at the end, I'm just going to let you watch all of it because I'm an extrovert. I don't care who's watching. I don't care. I don't care who thinks I'm crazy. I don't care if you guys think it's stupid. But if you will notice from my videos of dancing, I am enjoying it. So come along for the ride and turn your music up and dance along with me. All right, so I'm going to get this painting started. This is what inspired me to become an artist. My big sissy Sina was 10 years old and I was 4, and I watched her paint this incredible painting of a ballerina. All right, so this is the first abstract in the series, and I don't really have a title for my solo show yet. I'm sure that'll be forthcoming. But what I would like to try to accomplish is pull together a group of abstract pieces and use a very soft pastel color palette. And I'm painting kind of in the memory and style of Wayne Thiebaud, and the reason I'm doing that is because Cynthia and her family knew him and they collected his art. So I'm just kind of trying to bring back a kind of a cool time and place in Cynthia's past with her family. So as I continue on, I am going to be, like I said, pulling together a collection of abstract art pieces. And so far, I like this first one, although it's not quite finished yet. What do you think? This painting is not even close to being finished, but... Oh, somebody says more dancing? here, Peggy.